Friends, I welcome you all in my channel Easy Tips for Happy Life. Today I am going to converse with you about the belly fat. It is the fat found in the abdominal cavity, the belly fat, that causes the biggest issues in the health problems. If you have a lot of excess fat around your waistline, even if you are not very heavy, then you should take some steps to get rid of it. Belly fat is usually estimated by measuring the circumferences around your waist. This can easily be done at home with a simple tape measure. Anything above 40 inches, it means 102 centimeter in men, and 35 inches or 88 centimeter in women is known as the abdominal obesity. There are actually a few proven strategies that have been shown to target the fat in the belly and how to get rid of it, or how to get rid the fat of this area in your body. Here I am going to tell you 6 simple ways to lose belly fat. First and foremost is don't eat sugar and avoid sugar sweetened drinks. Studies shows that it has unequally harmful effect on metabolic health. Sugar is half glucose, half fructose, and fructose can only be metabolized by the liver in any significant amount. When you are going to eat a refined sugar, the liver gets overloaded with fructose and is forced to turn it all into fat. The intake of liquid sugar is even worse in this regard. Liquid calories don't get registered by the brain in the same way as solid sugars. So when you drink sugar-sweetened beverages, you end up eating more total calories. So my dear friends, make a decision to minimize the amount of sugar in your diet and consider completely eliminating sugary drinks. Instead of it, you can use whole fruit, which are extremely healthy and have plenty of fiber that mitigates the negative effect of fructose. Even some packed foods marketed as health foods can contain huge amount of sugar, so avoid such packed foods also. You need to avoid the soft drink also. Number 2, eating more proteins is a great long-term strategy to reduce the belly fat. Protein is the most important micronutrient when it comes to losing weight. If weight loss is your goal, then adding protein is perhaps the single most effective change you can do to your diet. Protein is particularly effective against belly fat. So my friends, make an effort to increase your intake of high protein foods such as whole grains, dry fruits, dairy products, and so on. These are the best protein sources in the vegetarian diet. If you are non-vegetarian, then you can have the protein-rich foods such as whole eggs, fish, seafood, and so on. The third way is to cut the level of intaking carbohydrates in your diet. You need to avoid the refined carbs such as white breads, pastas. In place of these things, you need to take the low-carb diets. These are particularly effective at getting rid of the fat in the belly area, around the organs, and in the liver. Number 4, eat foods rich in fiber. Dietary fiber is most indigestible plant matter. The best way to get more fiber is to eat a lot of plant foods like vegetables and fruit. Green vegetables are also good source as well as some cereals like oats. Then you could also try taking a fiber supplement like glucomannan This is one of the most vicious dietary fibers in existence and has been shown to cause weight loss in many studies. Number 5. Exercise is very effective at reducing belly fat. It is important for various reasons. Because exercise is among the best things you can do if you want to live a long, healthy life and avoid diseases in your lifespan. Exercises appears to be very effective at reducing belly fat. Aerobic exercises such as walking, running, swimming, etc. has been shown to cause major reductions in belly fat in numerous examples. Exercise completely prevented regaining abdominal fat after weight loss. It also leads to reduced inflammation, blood sugar levels, and all the other metabolic abnormalities that are associated with central obesity. Number 6 and last, the most important thing is track your foods and figure out exactly what and how much you are going to eat. If you are going to check your eating habits, then surely you make adjustment in order to get closer to your goals. You need to include leafy green vegetables in your daily diet. These vegetables have several properties that make them perfect for a weight loss plan. Leafy green vegetables are also incredibly nutritious and very high in all sorts of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. This includes calcium, which has been shown to aid fat burning in some of the studies, and as a result it is going to burn your belly fat. Boiled potatoes have several properties that make them a perfect food both for weight loss and optimal health. If you boil the potatoes, then allow them to cool for a while, then they will form large amounts of resistant starch, a fiber-like substance that has been shown to have all sorts of health benefits, including weight loss. You need not to fry them with oil. Just eat them as a whole, without any spice. Sweet potatoes, turnips and other root vegetables are also very excellent in losing your belly fat. Some beans and legumes can be beneficial for weight loss. This includes lentils, black beans, kidney beans and some other beans. Eating plenty of cottage cheese is a great way to boost your protein intake in your daily diet. It is also very satiating, making you feel full with a relatively low amount of calories. So my dear friends, I have explained all the possible ways by using this. You can very soon will be able to reduce your belly fat. Friends, I welcome you all in